Hey YouTube, I just wanted to tell you what I have on my cell phone. It's kind of cool. You all remember this, right? Okay, but now now I changed it to something different. I changed it to this.
Priority 1 message from Starfleet coming in on secured channel.
Okay, and now whenever I get a text, it sounds like this. Yes, I know it's kind of geeky, but I like it.
Priority 1 message from Starfleet coming in on secured channel.
I kind of like that. Actually, that's kind of cool. So yeah, that's. Oh yeah, my across the universe wallpaper from the soundtrack. Anyway, that's all for now. Later.